business head.
Thank you, Andy. Andaru. Thank you for coming, Andy. First of all, I would like to thank Anand Garu. COVID times lo middle class melodies chusi we were very inspired anamata. Kotta film making lo slice of life content chusi chala nachi we went on to buy the satellite rights for that movie. So alanti movie to ma connect ochina Anand garki a big thank you for coming and launching this show. First regional Telangana dialect lo unna show after oka chinna family story. Oka chinna family story lo Sangeet Shobhan launch ayi. He became a big hero. So I am sure that Anil ki next step ade avutundani nenu korukuntunnanu. And thank you so much Madhura Sridhar garu, because they did not hesitate. Ante number of days anukunnadi exceed aina, they really put in lot of effort. There was a lot of commitment from the team, and My Village show enta pedda product mana andarki telusu. I am sure this series will also be way more popular than that. And all the best to the team, and thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So next I welcome Desh Raj Garu, Vice President and Telugu Content Head for ZEE5.